Hello and welcome to day number 92 of our Travel Trader series. And I told you yesterday that the markets look as if they are at a turning point and that we are about to go down again, and that's exactly what we did today. And as the internet was working at least a little bit, or sometimes we were able to participate in it and make some money out of it. So first of all, let's have a look at what might happen next. So as I keep telling, and I know I'm repeating myself, but sometimes human beings are kind of stubborn, so hearing it more often might help them to become successful. What I kept telling is basically that after we came down, we went up, and we haven't seen anything yet. So I'm very convinced we go down at least to where we have been. So we will retest these old lows, and when we retest it, if we break through, we will even go down further. Then in hindsight it will look like a crash, but in hindsight it's very easy. So I like to predict things because that's when we are able to make money. So we now have the turning point, and I think we have quite a good chance to go far lower with new data coming out every day. More and more companies going into bankruptcy because of the economic impact that the virus has at the moment, or that the political decisions have at the moment. And therefore, I'm pretty sure that we will go down again. So our open positions, we have two open. The first one is oil, which went slightly up from what I said yesterday. Yesterday I think we were down 590 euro. Today we are only down 570 euro, so everything's fine. It's a longer term trade, so we have a few weeks until we expect to make some money and take some profits out of it. The second trade that's still open is silver. And silver is currently up 55 US dollars. So we're slightly in a positive. We start to drop further down, but as markets and commodities in general look like they are about to drop, I'm pretty sure that our short position in silver will earn us more money on the way down as well. Then I opened a new trade in the Dow Jones short position. As I said yesterday, that I expected to go down. So that's what I did already in the morning. So far we are down, or we are up. The Dow Jones is down, but our result is positive. So we are currently up 248 euro and 90 cents. We also had two trades, or three trades actually, that we closed. The first one that was closed was copper, minus 406 euro and 24 cents, and the other one was rice. We went back somewhere in the night during Chinese trading hours, and we made 292 euro and 20 cents. And as I was a bit active this morning, I put in a short position in the DAX as well, which are already closed. And we made 1,290 euro on that, with the DAX going down. So at first we kind of went up a little bit, but eventually we went into the direction that I forecasted. So combined we are up for the day 1,175 euro and 96 cents. We have two trades that start to pay off, and oil that we are waiting for. Now we're looking how the situation is tomorrow. If we continue to drop, I will do two things. First of all, if tomorrow it looks like I might get out of here, so eventually I might not be able to do anything in the morning, depending on what the schedule is for these examinations and stuff. But if so, one of the things that I will do is that I put in another short position in the German market. And the other thing that I intend to, when we continue to go down, that I add up on the Dow Jones position and I put another short there. So we reinforce our position day by day until we get to where we want to. And that way we put up more and more positions every time we can reduce a little bit of our risk. We will add a little bit risk again so that our overall risk stays constant, but the more we go in the same direction, the more money we will make, until eventually we stop adding risks up and we hopefully make a lot of money out of it. Looks like we might go down for quite some time until we reach these kind of goals, so that might be a great opportunity to do something like that. Yeah, that's basically it for the day. So made nearly 1,200 euro, 2 trades up, one still developing. So I'm looking forward to getting home eventually tomorrow, and we'll be back with another update on what happened in the markets tomorrow. So I wish you all a great evening, have a good time and successful trading, and I talk to you again tomorrow. Goodbye.